Hello friends, today we will learn how to demo content import of Dentcure Dental Cleaning WordPress theme. Firstly, go to the Appearance then Theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of your Dentcure theme. Then click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate and instantly you will get several required plugins to begin installing plugins. So click on it. Now select all the plugins to install and then click on Apply. While done, now return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all of them to activate and then apply. Now return to the dashboard and go to the Appearance, then Easy Demo Importer, and you will get several pre-made home pages immediately. You can choose any one to import this demo. Let's take a look at how it looks. Click on System Status and get this type of information. Now click on Back to Demo Importer. And now for starting your importing, click on Continue. Now the second step is configure your import. You'll get two options to choose. Exclude demo images is because if demo import fails repeatedly, but select Reset Existing Database and then click on Start Import. You need to keep patience for preparing to install demo data. It will reset database first. All are set. It is complete to import, and while done, click on Visit Site. And here it is. Dentcure, a beautifully designed WordPress theme which is specially crafted for dental clinics, dentists, and related healthcare services. Dentcure combines aesthetic appeal with functional power. As soon as you land on a site using it, you will notice its clean, bright layout, professional imagery, and well-structured navigation. From a usability standpoint, Dentcure is responsive and it letting clinic owners adjust colors, images, logos, content order without deep coding skills. Thank you for watching.